Hi guys, this is Joyce and I'm here with a quick plan with me. It has been, I bet you, over 6 weeks since I have done one, and I just been crazy busy, and I'm going to be using Happy Planner stickers. So for weekend, I always like to have a little weekend flag there. Not quick, not pretty. But I have been reorganizing my craft room, and I mean seriously reorganizing. I removed 2 pieces of furniture, so that has been done. I'm going to put this here. So I got rid of those. I had a lot of stuff around the floor. I pulled all of that out. And it is coming along pretty good. I'm looking for some more lighting. I'm gonna put this here because I'm looking for some more lighting. I have a ring light and I'm not sure, it's showing kind of greenish looking on the screen. I don't know that my tripod is the right position either, so I will definitely be trying to, because it looks crooked to me, so I don't know, it just looks crooked to me, see? But anyway, I'm gonna leave it alone because I don't want any accidents. Yeah, it's crooked because the camera is crooked. Yeah, I don't think my tripod or my desk, something is not right because that is so off. So let's do that. And let's take it out some. Okay. We're going to leave it like that because I'm going to have to work on this and I think it's going to die. So like I said, I am using Happy Planner. And I am using, we're in July, and I was going to use the 4th of July girly. I really was. That was my intention. But I am going to mix her in here. She was a cutie. I didn't do a 4th of July layout, but I can add some of these stickers to it. So it's July, you know, it's hot out there. It is, we should all be thinking about these all the time. So I'm going to stick this one up here. It just says liberty and justice. And I'm going to put this here. Yep, so I am really been busy all weekend. I was off on Friday and I have moved furniture and just all kinds of stuff. I don't have any more little girls left in this one. I really don't. Okay, so we got some pink in there. So Thursday is payday. Yeah, this is gonna take way too long. Let's put this little girl up here. And you know, I don't, let's see. I swear my camera's gonna die because it don't have no bars. Okay, so, and my colors are all mixed up, but I got some pinks in there and some blues, so I'm gonna stick this one here. I'm supposed to meet a friend for coffee on this day. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so I am missing some of my stickers. Everything is so torn up, so all over the place. So since she is there, let's take this one and put her over here. See, and that is crooked, but okay. Yeah, I'm tired now. I am so tired, but it has been, and I almost got my room just like I wanted. Almost. I took some stuff out. I am going to be destashing. I'm going to be giving some stuff away. And yeah. So it's going to be a much more creative space, and I'm really liking that because it's not congested anymore. And I will be doing I'm still organizing. I'm still going to get rid of a lot of stuff. It's just, I still have a lot of things in my living room that I haven't brought back into the room yet, because I've got a couple people that are wanting to start crafting, and I've decided that I am going to give them some of my stuff. Yeah, this one is just not really. Let's put a little gold on there, and I'm going to put this here so that oops, it's upside down. Hearts go up. You know I can't do straight lines, right? That is so crooked. That is so crooked. Alright, so I can use that to write notes and stuff. Okay. And I want two little ladies there. One's going away and the other one is not. And yep. So anyway, we can put, I need something there. So guys, I'm just, like I said, I just wanted to come on and make a video, something that would that is so crooked. Okay, I'm gonna have to work on, I don't want to touch it because it's gonna shake it, but that is crooked. Okay, so anyway, I gotta work on the placement. It used to be in the perfect place and now it's not. So guys, I'm just gonna say that this is my spread. No, wait a minute, I had some other stuff that I wanted to use. Yeah, so I wanted to put in some of these planted, because this these little stickers here, this sticker book has a lot of so I just want to do something, use some of these. Okay, so these stickers here, I got them and I just gotta use them. But I'm sorry, I wish I had not bought this little sticker book here that says all these tiny things, because I'll never use all of those. But it is what it is. So guys, I am going to call this done. Like I said, that is so crooked. The camera is crooked because on my desk that's going at an angle. But hey guys, just wanted to come by and say hello. I do have some things that I found in my cleaning process that I'm going to make some cards out of. I had done some coloring and I just want to show these. So I'm going to, I had all these I had stamped and never did anything with them. So I'm going to put together some cards for that. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, and I will be back because the room is getting there. And I'm ready to do some creating. Bye, guys.